What's up? Kia 2 Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I do have the Vivo X Fold 3. So I went on gift stop a couple of weeks ago, and I purchased this. It was at the price of $999.99. I needed to get me another folding phone to try to replace my OnePlus Open because, as you know, a OnePlus Open works on the outer display just fine, but the inner display has gotten even worse from before, and I just needed something that can replace that device that I think can replace that device. So here we are with the Vivo X Fold 3. No, this is not the Pro variant, and this is the running the Chinese ROM or whatever. So this is running the Origin Android 14. But the perks you get about ordering things through desktop is that they will come downloaded with the Google Play Store and the Google Apps. So this is pretty much what the box looks like. This is the 256 variant, 12 gig of RAM, 256 variant. Don't mind it. Here's the device. I did already take a peek at it and see what comes in the box. I just had to. So now we're just going to uh, pull out the device. This is what the device looks like. This came out this year, so this is not too old of a device. But they also have the Pro version, but I was really not interested in the Pro version because it costs a little bit more than what I was willing to pay, and this was at a good price for me. So I said, hey, let's pick it up and let's try it out. And another reason why I wanted to go for this is because I do like how this has candy bar style full size screen. Even though I do have the Z Fold 6, I like the wider screen on your Vivo than your Z Fold 6. This one is fine, but I love this, and this kind of matches the screen on my OnePlus Open. It may be even bigger, so I'm going to put that down for now. And another thing about this is very, very lightweight for something that folds. It's very thin. So what else you get in the box? That's another thing with some of these Chinese companies and people and phone brands that make devices in other countries. You get a case. So you open this up like so, you get a case. That's something Samsung is not doing with their devices. I wish they would, because you pay a lot of money for Samsung's folding phone and you do not even get a case, and then you do not even get a charging brick. This is a charging brick, and this is a 80-watt charging brick. So look, you're getting a charging brick, but you're also getting the 80-watt charging brick. And then you get your USB-C to USB cable there. So that is a very, very, very nice touch. When you're paying this kind of money, you want to get everything you can. And like I said, I believe this device was on sale. It was $999.99. I was like, yes, I need to get that. So here we are today with the Vivo X3 Fold, however you want to say it. But let's just throw the case on. This is just a back covering case. It doesn't cover the front of the device, so I'm gonna probably have to get me a case for this device. But I do like how much bigger the screen is, a tad bit bigger than the screen on your Z Fold 6. I'm going to have to get everything set up a little later, but I do like the way this looks and the way it feels. It feels nice in the hand. It's thin, no problem at all. I can't wait to test out their software because this is my first time having a Vivo device. But if I can get some devices poured in, I will. I'm not against porting in devices. It's just when you have to port in a device, you have to pay the full price, and sometimes I'm not able to do that. But since I had a chance to get my hands on this, I was like, yeah, let's go on and do it and test it out and see how I like it. But like I said, you can see that this is a lot bigger than your inner display on your Z Fold 6, just a tad bit bigger, not too much bigger, but just a tad bit bigger than your Z Fold 6. But the thing that I like about the Samsung Fold is that it uses the inner display as one screen, and I really love that because when you get these Chinese foldables, even with the OnePlus and even with the Google, and that's not a Chinese foldable, they make it like two screens. Like they have this as it's two separate screens, and I wish it was like how Samsung does it to where it's just one screen and you can place apps wherever you want to. But with this one, you cannot do that. This is set up just like your OnePlus Open and your Google folding phones, where you'll have apps here and then apps on the other side, and then when you close it, it'll just pull up an app showing two pages. So Samsung does do a very good job at how they use their inner display as using it as like one display instead of using it as two displays. So I pretty much just wanted to make this unboxing video to show you what I do have in the house. And yes, I will be doing a comparison, some camera tests. So just stay tuned, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself if you're into getting this device. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.